So somebody may say, how do I see God? Prabhupada used to laugh. He used to say that when you have to eat a sweet, we say, let me see what is the taste. What is the point of where you seeing the taste? What does it mean? You want to eat the sweet and then tell the taste. So today people are too much absorbed. I want to see, I want to see. In the same way of the sweet, we can see the Lord through the ears and not through the eyes. Eyes you can, but later. It's like suppose I am sick and I go to a doctor. And the doctor says that, I have some infection. And it is caused by this bacteria. By his test he has concluded. But the point is I can't understand that. First he has to tell me what is the bacteria, it is unicellular, multicellular. I don't know anything, I have to understand. I don't even knowledge that there is something called small bacteria size of the cell. So we have to understand that. And then after that is over, we have to understand how do they infect the body, how can it be detected. And after that, when he does and how does the bacteria spread, all the things have to understand. And then we go to the microscope, we say, see, can you understand? Yes. So before the seeing, there was a lot of hearing. So hearing is more important than seeing. So here, therefore, another example is given just like when somebody is sleeping. When he is sleeping, all the senses are inert except the ears. Now you want to wake up somebody, there is no point in coming to meet him in red dress or blue dress. That will not make him wake up. But if you, what do? You just call out his name, immediately he gives. So the ear can help you when you are sleeping. Similarly, because we are in spiritual slumber, we have forgotten that we are not body, we are a spirit soul. We have forgotten the position of God. We have forgotten how we are servants of God. We have forgotten what is the particular service to God. Some service I have, I have forgotten that also. Everything I have forgotten. How I can be awakened back to the reality, to the fact, which is that today I am stuck in this illusory world, thinking I am this body and running around. But how can I be woken to the reality? It is through the ears, not through the eyes. And then Bhagavad Gita also Krishna says, what is the use of understanding God, hearing about God? He says, no. Janma karma cha me devyam evam yaveti tattvataha takta deham punarjanma neti mamavikiso arjuna. Janma karma, the birth and the activities of the Lord are transcendental. If somebody is lifted to that platform by hearing, properly hears from authority, what is going to happen? He is not going to take birth again in this world. So nicely the things are arranged. And what is the process which has been given? The process which has been given is hearing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also, he was talking to Ramananda Raya, what is the process for in Kali Yuga to attain self-realization? And Ramananda Raya offered so many things. He said, Sarvadharman Parityaja. First he started with Varnashrama, then Sarvadharman, this word. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, they're all external, all external. But finally, Ramananda Raya says, wherever we are, we just hear about the Lord with great submission and respect from your devotees. That's it. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, yes. Sane Sita Stigata. Wherever you are situated, Sane, stay there. Now many people have that idea, if I have to realize God, I have to become a sadhu, I have to leave my home, I have to go to sometimes, I have to go to forest, or I have to do some yoga, I have to do some meditation. No, nothing. Wherever you are, please stay. You stay as an engineer or as a doctor or as a whatever profession you are doing. Stay there. Or what you are supposed to do? Hear. Namantaiva. Don't be proud. Be humble. And hear about the Lord from the lips of the devotees. What is going to happen? Krishna consciousness will be awakened with you. You sit down, also hearing about the Lord also means chanting His name. You hear the names of the Lord. That's the purpose of that, the beauty of this Hare Krishna mantra. Lord doesn't know anything except his devotees, and devotee doesn't know anything except the Lord. How did that happen? That's the beauty of the Hare Krishna mantra. Because the process of hearing brings a person to this beautiful platform wherein he develops such sweet relationship with the Lord. Lord says in Bible Gita, I am in the heart of my devotees, and devotees, Lord, is the heart. But how does this loving relationship awaken? Just by hearing. Srimad Bhagavatam was, and Prabhupada was going on a ship to America. He was thinking, how is it that these people can be made devotees? And particularly when he sees the coast of America, he says, my God, how these people have no interest in spiritual life. So how these people can come to Krishna consciousness? At that time, Prabhupada recounted the shlokas from Srimad Bhagavatam. Shanvatam Sakata Krishnaha Punya Shamana Kirtanaha Hridyattastoya Badarani Udunoti Surasata Nashta Prayasha Badreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhakti Bhavati Shtiki Tatharadastamo Bhava Kamalobhadayasche Chete Ete Anavidam Sitam Satyavasa. So nicely it is explained that just by hearing our heart becomes purified. As the heart becomes purified, Rajaguna Tamoguna goes away. We can hear about the Lord very nicely. Okay? And as Prasanna Manasa, the mind is joyful, we can understand Krishna consciousness very scientifically. So hearing is the process which is recommended in the scripture. No other. Srila Prabhupada ki Srimad Bhagavatam.